A long way to get into the exit. Well, but don't sit down to me there watching out through the stair because I'm going to go over the ramp to go down. Great. But there's now well, it's close to building 65. And wait a second. I never got the chance to finally film building 67. Which way one of these bullshit. The persons in here are pieces of bullshit. So let's go find another building opens. So in the meantime, you just got to be kidding me. Just went suspecting that he is entering in the fucking garage. What's he suspecting? So be sure it could be. Get away, you piece of bullshit. Oh my god. Thank you for letting me cross the road. Thank you very much. It was. But there's no sun. No. Oh, no, things like that. Oh. Which I never got the chance to film at types of these buildings. But only I think the building 77. Some years ago. This is getting bullshit. Worst thing. That's right. Edith couldn't get rid of it. I'm going to try if I can open building 5. But no. I was thinking that the windows are open. But absolutely not. Shit. Oh. You piece of... But shit, and I need to get my own freaking revenge. This piece of bullshit. I cannot believe this. I can't believe it. So just let me open, you piece of bullshit.
Yeah.
Nothing happens. Now in the building 9 and into the next lift. To the building to the lift. Wow, this building is really old. Didn't they want to disrespect? And it's really awesome. They are one of the most popular buildings I have ever seen in my entire life. It made me the most popular buildings in my entire life.
Ya sale mucho hombre para entrar aquí. No sale mucho, mira. Ya te vete. Ya nos vamos para casa.
Clean.